Math, Chapter 1, Lesson 5. Different ways to write the number. As I already talked about on the previous lesson, which is lesson number 4, I show you different ways to represent a number. Today we're adding another way to represent the number. We're also adding the word as the number. So I'm going to show you different ways because they need to know all the ways that they can represent the number. So the first one, I have the number 32. How can I represent the number 32 with numbers and words? So I have the number 32, it has 2 digits. So the 3 is in the tens place and the 2 is on the ones place. So if I wanted to represent this one with numbers and words, I would say 3 tens. So I write 3 and then tens. And I would say 2 ones. So I would put 2 ones. Now that is one way to represent the number. This is another way to represent the number 32. So now I want to represent the number 32 as an expanded form. Expanded notation is called. So if I have 3 tens, I have 10, 20, 30. So I put 30 plus, and I have 2 ones, I go 1, 2. So 30 plus 2, that would be the expanded form, which is equals to 32. Another way to show the same number in a different way, to represent it in a different way, would be with a picture. So if I have 3 tens, I draw 3 lines, which is each line represents a 10, and 2 little circles to represent the ones for the 2 ones that we have. That would be a different way to represent the number 32. But the final one that I wanted to introduce today, we're using the number 32. We're going to represent it as a word. So I have to write the word 30. Now to separate the 30 from the ones, I do a little hyphen, and then I write the number 2. And this is another way to represent the number 32 in a word format. So you learned all the different ways: the number with word, the expanded form, the picture, and now also the word. I hope you like my lesson.